Hello artists, today we are going to be drawing
Axel.
Yeah, it's a Squishmallow called Axel and it's a axolotl character. So that's who we are going to be drawing today. So we'll pop him down or her down here. Kind of stand up. Are you going to stand up? Yes. Alright, so to follow along we need is something to draw with, some paper and something to colour in this as well. So I hope you follow along and have lots of fun.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so like most Squishmallows, they are just a nice round big oval shape, kind of like a big egg, kind of wider at the bottom, smaller at the top. So let's draw that. We'll just start up here and we'll just go round and round. So that's a good shape. Now let's draw some details on the inside. Now as you can see with Axel, he's got a nice white tummy there, so we're going to draw that line over there and then we'll draw his face. So let's draw that here. Cool. And let's draw the eyes. It's a nice round eye like this. And we draw one on the other side. And let's have a look at the eyes. Oh, they're just straight black eyes. What I like to do is add a little circle on there so it looks like it's got a little highlight. Just add some detail and character to it. And then we might as well colour it in now. If you want to do different colours, that is entirely okay and up to you. Awesome, and let's draw his mouth. We've got a little mouth in here. It's just two very small U shapes like this. There we go. Very cute. Now let's draw some other details. So Axel has got these little bits on the side. I don't even know what they're called, but we will find out what they are called. So they kind of stick out on the side of the head. So we draw three. 1, 2, 3. Yep. And a little bit further down, we're going to draw another one there. It's just separated from the other ones. And that is actually his arm. And then we'll just do the same on the other side as well. And there we go, that is Axel the axolotl Squishmallow. And the next part is to colour in. Alright, and we've finished colouring in. So this is what the original axolotl Axel Squishmallow toy looks like. And this is our finished creation. So yeah, it looks very similar. I mean, you don't have to colour in the same, you can colour it your own way. But yeah, I think they look pretty cool. You happy with yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you did a great job. Oh, thanks for following along. I hope you had lots of fun drawing this Squishmallow. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other drawings for Squishmallow and lots of other characters as well for you to join. So hope to see you again next time. Bye!